really remarkable. This is one of the...
This one is adorable.
Now, you don't want to touch them. Here, sit right here.
But this one is not going to be happy about her shoes because they're the same.
Oh, my God. Okay. Now, Loretta and Danette have one of the most beautiful... Here, sit down, Rachel. This is really cool because you don't want this guy coming after you.
Okay.
This is a beautiful, beautiful cat. It's actually, it's a small cat. Now, there is a big difference between big cats and small cats. Big cats, lions, tigers, leopards. Big, yeah.
Big.
This is an ocelot. Small cat, but still a wild cat.
Cute.
And Loretta and Danette from Hog Creek have raised this cat. This is one of the most endangered species left in the world. And ocelots, again, this is a full-grown cat, but really, for her size, the ferocity is quite unbelievable. Yeah, do you hear? I know, she will growl. And what's really amazing...
And that doesn't bother you because you guys are used to each other, right?
They have such a close bond, it's unbelievable. And this is a really rare opportunity because ocelots, you know, you see people working with tigers and lions, which is a very dangerous thing to do. But, you know, you develop a bond with the animal. But to work with a cat like this is even a little more tricky because you have to really, they almost have a Napoleon complex. The smaller the cat, the more irritable they can be.
So they get hit by cars.
And they get
Oh, man.
Yeah, they think they're both, and they'll chase a car like a dog. But this is an animal that used to be native all throughout most parts of North America. Now you can only find, you used to be able to find this animal in large populations, even in the Midwest. Now that you can find a little bit in Texas, into Mexico.
70.
And there's only 70 left.
70.
70 left in the United States. Isn't that unbelievable? 70. There's more than 70 people in this room.
Yes, there are.
It's crazy.
And we're trying to keep it that way.
We
That's
are
why we're keeping the snake in the box. Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
You ever lost a finger or a nub or anything doing your kind of work?
Only when I work on cages, never from the animals.
Never from the animals, only the cage.
Only the cage.
Things
Exactly.
like working with a hammer and a nail or wire. Wire's horrible.
Exactly. I have all my fingers too.
I got most of mine. Mine are a little short here and there.
Little stubby
When I
stuff.
get hurt cooking, it's probably doing other things.
No, I get hurt.
Did you ever lose a finger in the lasagna?
I have, actually.
Have you really?
Oh, yeah, I've cut this one off 3 times. It's completely dead.
Let me see it.
Can't feel it. Oh, yeah, you can burn it. You can see. Yeah, it's
really?
good. Oh, we've glued it back on a few times.
Look, can we let the ocelot bite it?
Yeah, ocelot could probably nibble on it. That's what I'm going to be doing over the break. You guys can grab a snack, and we'll be right back. Heading your way, Hollywood takes a walk on